We talked about how harmonics in sound has this mystery, the Pythagorean comma, where stacking 12 perfect fifths leads to this gap over 7 octaves, a dissonance of about 23 cents. Well, it took a long time, but finally, during the Renaissance, figures like Andreas Werckmeister were able to resolve the problem. But, according to some, this was the beginning of a development of a unified field theory in physics. Just as fifths and octaves don't obviously align, forces like gravity stubbornly resist resolving with the strong and weak nuclear forces. And to these theorists, unlocking the puzzle, see I got a puzzle here, unveils a great deal of power. And they argue, following Pythagoras, that all matter and energy are vibrating at particular frequencies, and harmonics in physics, as in music, needs to be resolved for the unification of gravity, electromagnetism, and quantum mechanics. And according to them, Nikola Tesla seemed to have had his finger on the pulse of this puzzle. He famously rejected Einstein's general relativity, favoring instead a dynamic ether model, a medium which carries forces across the universe. Proponents argue that general relativity fails to adequately explain how massive structures like galaxies would be cohesive if nothing can exceed the speed of light. And to extrapolate this further, the Pythagorean comma is a clue to resolving these disparate frequencies in the ether. And if you can do this, you could theoretically harmonize and manipulate these natural forces. Music is a microcosm of cosmic vibrations, and Tesla's resonance experiments, like his rumored earthquake machine, would have been the practical application of this. They were instead the steps towards mastery, perhaps even powering his oft-fabled particle death ray.